Alright guys, so today's video is about the Infinix XE27 Earbuds. Somebody requested for a review on this guy because it's crazy cheap right now on the Jumia website. You can actually get it for 8,000 naira on Jumia because they are on flash sales, so you can get it as low as 8,000 naira, and some are even selling it for as high as 10,000 naira. It also comes with ANC feature, so that is one of the things that actually prompted me to even get one. Without wasting much of your time, let's talk about this guy and let me share with you my first impression. All right, so from the pack you can see the Immersive Sound on it, and by the side also Immersive Sound, and it comes with a sticker here that shows it is white in color. That means we have a white one in the box, and at the back you are going to see some specifications and some other stuff like Infinix Mobility Limited address and everything that you need to know about it. How to operate it is also there, and that's pretty much it. Underneath, nothing. On top, nothing. And here you are going to see ANC 10mm deep bass drivers, which is good. 4 microphones for environmental noise cancellation and 6 minutes playtime. That means if you charge it for 10 minutes, you are going to get 60 minutes playtime, which I'm going to check out in my review video. So subscribe to it and let's unbox it. All right, so by the side, wow, this looks nice. Open. Okay, so we have something here. All right, this is where the user manual is. We have the user manual, a bit lengthy, so you can go through that. Let's keep that aside. And the second thing we are seeing is the warranty details, so you can see what your warranty covers and you can fill this up and keep it. The next thing is the earbuds themselves, so let's bring this out. Neatly packed. We'll come back to that shortly. Let's open here. It says open. Okay, this houses the extra air tips. So we have a medium and a big size extra tips that we can use. We have a Type-C white cable that we can also use to charge it up. Nothing else in the box. That's all. Let's move over to the earbuds. Wow, nice. Looks beautiful. It comes with a glossy finishing, and at the back you can see designed by Infinix. And underneath it you are going to see a serial number and a Type-C port, and here is an indicator. So let's open it. Wow, this looks nice. Let me remove this for you to see. You are going to see some other information about the earbuds, the model number, distance, and every other stuff like that with certifications here. Okay, that is pretty much it. And here are the earbuds themselves, so you have to remove this because this seal is covering the connecting port, so you have to remove it and charge it up before the first time use. Another microphone here and the microphone here. I don't think this is a microphone. These are just all for something else. So more on that in the review video. Subscribe for more, and let me charge this up and give you my first impression video. All right guys, so now I'm back. My XE27 Earbuds from Infinix is fully charged. As you can see, it's showing blue on the indicator. That shows that it is fully charged, and we can now connect it up and let me tell you my first impression. But before that, something actually happened during the charging of this charging case. So what actually happened was that this guy was blinking red, and sometimes it will stay on steady red and go off, and maybe in 2-3 minutes it will come on again on steady red and go off. I don't know why that is happening, so I tried to check into the manual and I didn't see anything like that that may cause it to be going off and on. But from here on the manual, it shows charging will show red light. That means to indicate red light, and it is going to take 2 hours to charge fully to 100%, and once it is fully charged, it's going to show blue light, okay, blue indicator, and which we have here, because I know most earbuds comes at 50%, and you can just charge it for 1 hour using 5-volt 2-ampere charger and adapter, and it's going to fully charge it. This actually hits 1 hour and it shows blue light. Okay, so that means it is fully charged. You can now connect it, and let me show you my first impression quickly. Okay, this is actually a very good earbud. From what I'm hearing right now, this guy's has bass and is moderate. It's not overlapping. The mid is there. This is just okay. So far so good. It is nice. I just listened to some music here, and guys, I can tell you it is just awesome. But I don't want you to take my word for it like that. Let me just use it for some days, and I will tell you what to expect from this Infinix XE27 Earbuds. They even have volume controls on it that you can use to control the volume of your music or your audio that is playing, and a lot of it. The ANC feature, I'm still going to try it out and check it out and tell you what to expect. So if you have any earbuds from Oraimo or from other companies that you want me to compare the Infinix XE27 earbuds to, please drop a comment down in the comment section, and I will see you in the full review video. Bye for now. Peace.